Yo buddies, what's up? In today's video, I just want to share with you what's inside my camera bag. Two camera bags actually. This is the Honks 008 and the 008 Mini. So let's start with this one first, okay? So here's the front side. We have a Honks logo right here on a leather material, and then we have a sort of velvet fabric here, which is really nice to touch. And the quality, I would say, is really good for a 1,380 Philippine pesos bag. Okay, so we have leather here, we have our buttons, buckles here. Again, like I said, very nice quality bag for that price. And then at the back, we have a loop here. So we have two buttons. There you go. So essentially, you can put two other lenses aside from your main camera and main lens right here. And then, of course, on this pocket, you can put your, again, your microphones, batteries, SD card,